this day with a love in my heart. Welcome to Indian Stock Market Dynamics. Today the tip of the day is continuation of last 4 days is PS Technique Part 5. I mean to say People Skills Technique 5. Today I am going to discuss about approval. Before that, being 3rd February 2019, the same day in 1966, the first weather satellite was launched by NASA, which is called ESSA, Environmental Science Service Administration 1. Later in 1969, the same day, the Tamil Nadu has lost a able Chief Minister, Kanchivaram Natarajan Annadurai. And you know him very well. He is known for a public speaker and public speaking skills. He has got it a lot, and he has also been named as oratorical person of that kind. You know, we'll have to build such a quality. Now coming to today, the approval, the part 5. The first, I have been talking about the 5 elements or ingredients of people's skill. The first one is acceptance, second one is appreciation, third one is admiration, and today it is approval, and tomorrow I am going to talk about attention. Now today approval. What is approval? Approval is a synonym for approval is consent or permission or granting something to them. So when we talk about the people, there should be approval. That means we have to accept them in such a way they are lined with our thinking. For example, in the office, in the organization, there used to be probationary period of 6 months for any employee who recruited freshly. Why? Because they have to approve by the organization, by the personal department, that they are good for the job or fit for the job. Similarly, when we meet people, we'll also line up with the thought and get approved, or we give the approval to them as our long-lasting friendship. But coming to relationship, like a husband and wife, can we maintain this probationary period of 6 months, whether he or she is suitable to us? It is not possible. For example, the children to the parents cannot be approved, or even the parents cannot give a probationary period for the children to be the child. Okay, now what is happening in our day-to-day concept is, how do we approve people? Why should we approve people? And what basis they are approved? Approval can be done, or approval can be accessible, or approval can be accepted the way we behave, the way we perform our task. I remember one story here. You know the Sifi story of our famous comedian character called Mullah. He was sitting on a donkey and was rushing towards some place, and he was being witnessed by all his friends, and they were chasing him and asking, "Mullah, where are you going?" Mullah did not answer. And the next day, Mullah is going to the other direction, where he is going very fast, sitting on the donkey, and again these friends were chased him and asked him, "Mullah, where are you going?" Again he didn't ask anything, he didn't reply anything. And the third day he was walking, the students, the friends caught him and asked Mullah, "Mullah, for the last 2 days we have been watching you, going this side and that side, sitting on the donkey, that you are going very fast. Where were you going? What were the tasks you were doing?" Mullah said, "I did my accomplishments, whatever I did, but I didn't go fast." "No, you were only going." He said, "No, the donkey was going. I was only sitting. So you should ask this question to the donkey." And these people said, "Whether donkey goes or you goes, ultimately you only were there. So we have to ask you only. So tell me, where did you go?" You know what was the reply to the mullah? He said, "See, I have a dog, I have a donkey. Whatever I say, whatever way I want to go, it will not go. So what I did, I'm sitting on the donkey, let the donkey wherever it goes. Suppose I want to go to north side, it will go to the east or west side. If I want to go to east, go to the west side. So what I did, I'm sitting on the donkey, let the donkey go anywhere he wants it. At the same time, that portion, wherever he goes, whatever work I have to complete, I'll complete and come." Understand this?
So what is happening? We'll take a small information from this. We have some people, we try to get job done, but if they don't do it according to our intention, we'll have to leave them. So let them do, but we have to get our job done ultimately. That's the information. So approval comes with the idea of understanding the other mind. In what way they're accessing the job, what way they are doing it. For example, the parents expect the children to study and take good marks, but the children may not study. They will be focusing their attention in different places, different ideas. So we have to find out why they are focusing their attention rather than studies and other thing. If you don't find it, we cannot meet their expectation what we are. So approval is such giving a permission, granting to the person to do whatever he wants. Last but not the least, see, you don't put the horses behind the cart. There is a saying. If you put the horse behind the cart, what happens? Nothing going to happen. So you are always try to put a horse before the cart, so it will move the destination which you want. Thanks for listening. May you all be blessed.